guys, my name is Victoria Pavlov. I'm the Photoshop artist. Welcome to my studio. Today we will talk about how you can create commercial advertisement for your client from your studio. I will share with you my project I created for my client. My client has a food chain and she asked me to create some commercial advertisement for upcoming weekend, and she was not able to provide me with any product. She was not able to provide me with her a burger, fries or soft drinks because she's located in another state. So guys, I decided to create anything from my studio, and I was using only 3D objects I downloaded from PixelSquid.com. She was so happy with the final result. So guys, let's start. I have opened Adobe Photoshop and I have created my simple document. Definitely guys, as usual, you can create your document in any size you like. Now, I would like to apply yellow color to my background. So I will switch to Paint Basket tool and I will create this beautiful yellow background. And I will switch back to the Move tool, just like this. As you notice, I have opened PixelSquid plugin. And here I have some of my 3D objects I downloaded from PixelSquid. I will click on this cutting board 3D object, just like that, and voila! I can rotate my object directly from a PixelSquid plugin window. So I will click on this cutting board object and I will rotate it, just like this. Now I will resize it, make it bigger, and I will reposition it. Maybe I will make it bigger slightly more, just like that. And I will reposition it. Now I would like to rotate it more. I will be back to my PixelSquid plugin window. I will click on my 3D object and I will rotate it just like this. Perfect. This is what I wanted, and I will bring it down. Now guys, I would like to specify that yes, I would like to have shadow in my 3D object, and also I would like to switch from low resolution to high resolution. Obviously, I will switch from low to high. And now I will click on Add New, and I will click on another 3D object. I will click on this beautiful burger. I'm a vegetarian, but she asked me to create something with meat. So I will click on this burger, and voila, again, I will rotate my 3D object directly from PixelSquid plugin window, just like that, and I will reposition it. Also, I can resize it, just like this. Maybe a little bit smaller. Perfect. And I will click OK. Now, guys, I can rotate my object in a way I like. Maybe I like this side of my burger more, or this way. Let's see. Let's see. Not this. I like this side of my burger more because I can see this beautiful tomato. I love tomatoes. And now time to specify options for my 3D object. Definitely, I would like to have shadows under my 3D object, and of course, I would like to switch from low to high resolution, just like this. Look at this burger, how delicious is it? Now guys, what I will do, I would like to add another 3D object, but behind my burger. I will highlight my cutting board object, just like this. I will click on Add New in PixelSquid plugin, just like that. And here I have this 3D object, fries. I will click on it. I will rotate it, just like that. And I will reposition it. Maybe resize it slightly, and I will reposition it directly behind my burger. For my taste, this object is too big, so I will size it down and I will reposition it just like this. And I will click OK. And once again, I would like to have shadows under my fries, and also I would like to switch from low to high resolution, just like this. Now guys, I would like to add another 3D object, but I would like to add my 3D object behind my fries. And again, I will highlight my cutting board layer and I will click on add new. In here I have 3D soft drink glass. I will click on it just like this. I will rotate it again directly in my PixelSquid plugin window, just like this, and I will reposition it. Definitely I need to resize it. I will size it down just like that and I will reposition it. Guys, look at this. And of course, I need to specify shadows. Yes, please, I would like to have shadows. And also I would like to switch from low to high resolution. Guys, look at this. How beautiful is it? Believe or not, we are basically done. You can add any text to your image. You can add anything you like. But what I would like to do, I would like to apply a few steps to my cutting board. So I will highlight my cutting board a layer and maybe I will a little bit move it. I will move it a little bit, just like this. Yes, just like this, and I'm happy. What I will do now, I will click on my hamburger 3D object and I will move it just for one more time, just to check. Yes, I like it. Maybe I will rotate it. No. Yes, and finally I can say I'm happy with a composition and everything like that. What I will do now, guys, I will merge all visible layers and I will duplicate my layer just to show to you before and after. And now I have highlighted my top layer, copy of my original layer. I will go to filter and I will launch camera raw filter. Here, guys, I can apply any adjustments to my image. First of all, let's play with exposure. I will increase exposure just slightly. I will increase contrast. I will illuminate shadows just a little bit and I will increase blacks. Guys, I would like to make a point. When you are working on food commercial, be very careful with your light or texture or anything like this, because you are working on a food commercial. Your commercial is supposed to be inviting, supposed to you look yummy. If you will apply a lot of texture or bad light or anything like that, no one will buy this product. So be careful with everything like this. I'm happy. Maybe I will just increase exposure just like this. And now I have very inviting image. We can click OK. And now let me show to you before camera raw and after. Now guys, you can apply one extra step to your image. Let me duplicate this layer and I will rename it to the final. And I will go to filter and I will launch camera raw filter again. Here, guys, I will switch to profiles. If you would like to be on more artistic side, if your client asks you to apply some artistic effect to your image, profiles are very powerful in this case. So we have many profiles we can work with. First of all, let's click on artistic, just like this. And you can choose any profile you like. I like artistic 0.2. You also can specify amount of profile you would like to apply to your image. I will move slider amount somewhere to the left, about 48. And now guys, we can see even beautiful texture applied to our meat. Guys, look at this and I will click OK. And this is before and this is after. Definitely, guys, definitely you can add any text to your image. You can create as many detail. You can create your image with many details. You can create your image with less details. Everything is up to you and up to your client. And guys, this is what I wanted to share with you. Look how easy you can create very successful commercial ad for your client directly from your office, from your studio. So guys, once again, I would like to thank you for all your support. Thank you for being with me. If you have any questions, just ask, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.